being expected. Come on in, come on in. Right, so I'm going to show you around the house, but first off, let's just have a quick chat. Okay, let's have a really quick little chat. I really hope you're doing well. So today I thought it'd be really exciting to do a flat tour around 8 months on from moving in. It's about 8 months. It was a very murky moving date for us. We never had that official moving in date where, you know, all of the furniture goes out and yours comes in. I explain it a little bit more in my moving vlogs. It was a bit of a different kind of process for us. We are family with the people who used to live here, so it was a lot more relaxed. And then obviously Miss Corona came and scuppered any plans we had of moving bits out, moving bits in, getting work done, making any sort of progress. So yeah, that is why you will notice that not too much has been done, but that's not a bad thing. This is very much a realistic amount of progress, I would say, and I really wanted to show you because I want people to know that it's not embarrassing to not get a lot done in like the first year of you moving in, you know. I know a lot of these kind of like bigger YouTubers, they finish their house in like 6 months, and I'm just like, how? Literally how? Going through this process has made me think you must have about £1 bajillion. But you know, nice for some. I will be showing you around, showing kind of what we're planning on doing, what we have managed to get done. But yeah, anything that has been done by me or by Tom or together. During this, we personally just haven't felt too comfortable having workmen in the house. Which I think is fair enough. That's why progress is a little bit scuppered. However, I have never actually filmed an official flat tour, so this is going to be exciting nonetheless, because yous have never seen like a official here, and there's places in the house that yous have never seen. So this will be very exciting nonetheless. I suppose just need to say, prepare yourselves. It doesn't look like a new build. It just doesn't. But I really wanted to put this out there as a don't be embarrassed. A fixer-upper is not embarrassing, right? I am so happy that we've gone for somewhere that we can treat as a bit of a project. We can work at it slowly but surely. There's always something to do, and we can really like put our own stamp on it, and I just find that so exciting. I love it here. I'm having the best time and we're really enjoying living here together. So I will swap back over to Tom's amazing camera work now, but I really hope you enjoy. That was a great chat. Okay, now let's start the tour. Come on, what is it? If you come on up, I'll show you. What is it? What is it? If you follow me up, these are the stairs up to the bedrooms.
Right side, you've got the stairs going up to the bedrooms. There's your stairs, straight in front of you going to the bedroom. Stairs just there going up to the bedroom. Got your stairs going up to the bedroom. There are your stairs going up to the bedrooms.
Just coming up, these are the stairs to the flat. I'm just gonna do a disclaimer. I absolutely hate that Tom is filming for me right now. I can't handle this awkwardness, but we're just gonna carry on through. What room do you fancy first? Just tilt it, your preference. Okay! Right, we're starting off with a bedroom. Come on in. This is the least attractive room in the house, but come on. Okay, so this is our biggest room in the house, probably. This is going to be our bedroom in the future. Obviously, we need to do quite a bit of work to it, as you can see. Just, you know, wee bit plastering, wee bit paint and all that fun stuff. Bit of new floor, you know, that would be nice. That would be nice. If you've watched my previous moving vlogs, then you will see that we used to have a bit of a mirrored wardrobe situation. Yeah, we had a really big like built-in wardrobe that we have torn down. So the plan will be going forward, I think, we've not fully decided, but we're thinking like wardrobes on this wall and then maybe like bed here, we'll see. But yeah, lots to do, but it's a canny big room and there's lots of potential, so we're very excited. It's got lots of good daylight, which I love. I like it when you've got a nice bright room. Shabby chic at the minute, but hopefully it'll be banging out of here. Where to next? Do you have a preference? We'll dip into this bedroom very quickly. Come on in. This is second bedroom, numero uno. No, dos. This is going to be an office. Obviously at the minute it's currently Tom's at home office because Corona. It is slightly smaller than the other one, but still a really nice space. We're thinking of having like a sofa bed in here in the future, and yeah, desk space for Tom, and maybe little desk space editing for me. Who knows? But yeah, creaky floorboards, hopefully we'll change that soon. But yeah, this is it, really. This is the room. Okay, next room, back up. Oh, I haven't really said this is the hallway. This is the hallway. Hopefully we can make it into a bit nicer of a space.
Right, hi lads, I'm really sorry. Obviously because Tom was filming me, I think I was nervous, so I forgot to say quite a lot of things that I was wanting to say. So I thought I would just hop on here and just say them freeze frame. So I hope you don't mind that. Freeze frame. I just thought I really wanted to say why we haven't painted any of the doors, because it looks like, why the hell haven't you painted the doors? But the reason is that is one definite thing that we want to do is replace all the doors in the house. We want to go for like, you know, like a wooden finish, maybe get some like window pane kind of ones so that some light goes through into the hallway, because you might notice that it is quite dark. So yeah, that's what we wanted to go for, and that's why they are not painted in any way, shape or form.
But at the minute it's just shoe storage central, which is nothing really exciting, but something here, I feel. Print, shelf, who knows, but we'll see. Anyway, this is the bathroom. Bad lighting. Should we switch places? Yeah? Okay, this is our bathroom. I'll have to show it in cutaways because it's a very small space. So this is close and comfortable. We have big plans for the bathroom, so we're very much like not spending any of our time making this look particularly nice, because it's a bigger project that we're going to do a little bit further down the line. Hopefully not too much further down the line. We are planning on basically knocking through and making it quite a lot bigger, which is very exciting. This is a weird little house. There's another stairway next to us that we don't need, so we're gonna knock on through, put false floor down, and yeah, extend this bad boy. So that's kind of it. Yeah, for now I just decorate it with fake plants and plants to feed my plantness. What am I talking about? Anyway, come on through. If you follow me on through, I'm not gonna show you this because it is disgustingly cramped and you won't even be able to see what's in there. So this is our what's Narnia? Is it Narnia?
Could be, yeah.
Lion, Witch and Wardrobe. This is Into the Unknown. Staircase. Very random. We don't need it. Let's make it into a shower. But yeah, I'm not showing you that, but that's what that is. But let's go through. This is, yeah. This is probably the space that you've seen the most of. It's the space that we've spent the most time on. It's the space that we're probably the most happy with. Would you say so, Tom?
I would say so, yes.
Lovely. We've done a solid bit of work in here. We have grafted our little buttocks off on these walls. I think it's safe to say that was a painful job, but we're very pleased that we've done it. But yeah, now we're extremely happy in here. Obviously there's things that need done, such as floor and other little things. We're getting this fireplace out very soon. For the most part, you know, we've made it into something that we're pretty happy with living in. and it's very canny. So, very happy in here. A little in-betweeny job that we want to do is eventually open this up and make it into a bit more of like an open plan living situation. So why don't you follow me on through into there? Okay, lighting?
Poor again, I'll go.
Switch. Okay.
Oh, the plants look horrible.
Do they?
Hmm.
I thought dead plants better than no plants, but no.
No, it looks like your armpits killed them or something.
Right, okay. They were never there. How's this one?
Better, yes. Well.
Okay, alright. So, kitchen. This is what I mean. We will hopefully be making this into a nice little just open door frame. We never close this anyway, really. And I like having the light source through into the living room. So, yeah, I think that's going to be the plan. Again, not done too much in here, but we did get spontaneously a new fridge when the other one died, and new kettle. Little things, you know, little things.
Beep, 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 beep. Oh, time for another tyre update.
It's a bit of a polished turd at the moment because we really need to give some attention to these walls. We've got filler from where it's literally where I've had leftover filler from doing the living room, and I thought, where's some holes? Where's some holes? And I've just smacked it on the wall and done nothing about it. So my bad on that one. That is my bad. We've got leftover tiling that we just need to hack off and replace. So I think that'll be quite a fun job and it'll be quite satisfying. But yeah, that is why this kitchen just looks a little bit worse for wear. But I feel a little bit TLC and we'll be golden. Gold. But we're very happy with the cupboards and stuff, so maybe a swap out of knobs eventually. Maybe. Oh.
Beg your pardon.
Oh, and another thing that's been a very recent idea. Thomas, put your phone on silent right now. Done. Okay. So, this is quite a recent idea, but it's one that I've gotten a little bit obsessed with. I've been looking on the Pinterest quite frequently about it. This little area here will eventually be getting walled off, because this will be part of our massive bathroom. So this will just be wall, and I have really liked the idea of turning this unit and everything that's kind of in it into an open shelving corner. I like it. I like this idea a lot, and I hope that we can perform it one day. But obviously a lot needs to get done in that time, you know, this side of things. So before we can have a wall to put those shelves on, we need to do a lot of work. But that's something in the far future that hopefully we can look into. There's no more rooms to show. That was quite quick. How many minutes have we done?
12:20.
What? This will be so easy to edit. That's it really. That is our current flat at 8 months into moving in. So lots to do, but exciting. It's our little project. And the heating's just made a really loud noise, so I don't know if you're gonna hear me, but that's fine. Stay tuned if you fancy coming on this little journey with us. It's very exciting. It's a good time. Subscribe if you would like to come on said journey. And hopefully I'm planning on doing like another tour, like doing a year update. So in say 4 months. We've got plans, so hopefully there'll be like quite a bit more done. We'll see how we go, but there will be more tours coming soon.
Right, obviously I've said there's a tour coming, but that won't be for a little while. Lads, I do moving/home vlogs like every other week, and so you can keep up to date with progress on the live.
And you can like get excited with me, so that's it really. If you enjoyed the video, stick it a like, and anything else? Turn the bell on, I never say that. turn the bell on so you can be notified for my next video. And that's it really. I will see you in the next video. Bye Tom. Bye.